Hey guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make slime. Okay, so what you need is 1 cup of glue and then food coloring if you want, because that will make it colorful. And then lastly, laundry detergent or contact lens solution, whichever you want to use. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the glue into the bowl. Next, you're gonna add your food coloring if you want to. Now what you're gonna wanna do is add your laundry detergent, and there's no specific measurements because it will be different every time kind of, but I just add kind of like a lot the first time, so that's a lot basically. And I start mixing it, and I figured out that laundry detergent, it takes a little bit of a longer time for the slime to form, and it won't be as stretchy if you don't want it to be sticky. But for contact lens solution, it forms much easier and it's less sticky. So I feel like I'd recommend contact lens solution. Okay. Hip hip hooray.